Hey Aksha, did you know 22nd July is a very special day for our national flag?
Really? I know Independence Day. What is special about July 22nd?
On 22nd July 1947, our Constituent Assembly officially adopted our national flag. Almost a month before independence?
Wow, I did not know about that. So, who designed our tricolor? Do you know?
Yes, it was designed by Pingali Venkayya, a great patriot from Andhra Pradesh. He designed it. After a few changes, it became our national flag we proudly salute today.
Nice. I have always wondered why it has three colors.
Each color has a meaning. Saffron stands for courage, white for peace and truth, and green for growth and prosperity.
And what about the blue wheel in the middle?
That's Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes and reminds us a nation should always keep moving forward.
Amazing. It's not just a beautiful flag, but every part of it tells us a story.
Exactly. That's why whenever our tricolor flags flies high, every Indian feels proud.
Our tricolor is our pride, identity, and our responsibility. Jai Hind.